How's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to plant Thai basil. Thai basil is one of the varieties of basil. Next to it you can see I have amethyst basil and then your traditional sweet basil. But this is going to be about Thai basil. So it's a wonderful plant. You can see the beautiful flowers that it creates. This has more of a licorice kind of taste to it. It's used in a lot of Asian stir fries, as you can see by the label. So when I bought it in the store, these flowers were already here. Typically you don't want that unless you're trying to allow them to seed. So when I plant them in the ground, I'll go ahead and probably chop a significant amount of this so it can start bushing out. So it came inside this. I find that I prefer it when these are removed. So it's gonna be kind of hard to do in one hand, but let's see. Luckily, I don't think I'm gonna be disrupting too many roots on this. So go ahead and remove this to allow some roots to branch out. It's good that there's no root ball. Alright, so I'm going to soften the bottom area a little bit to spread out the roots, promote them to stabilize into the ground. Just place them in here. Alright, so this kind of basil enjoys soil that's not too saturated with water. So you want to make sure you have good draining soil. I have in this raised bed, just a mini raised bed. Alright, so typically people just go ahead and pick the flowers off. Because this is very long, I'm gonna go ahead and chop it off, and the place that you want to cut it is around areas where you see new growth coming out. So you can see that here's a branch there's a branch right there, and then there's a little bud right here, so I'll cut right above that. So I'll cut right above this area. I don't have very sharp scissors. Okay, take this off. I'll do the same for this one, just right here for now. Right. So, and then we have this portion. What some people like to do is place it in some water and see if they can start rooting it. And then once they develop some roots, you could probably just plant that as well. Just remove, this flower so you can continue to harvest your basil. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.